Your home away from home in the campground can truly be a home with fabulous features. Case in point, the amazing Sabre line of full profile fifth wheels made by Forest River. Forest River is known to produce excellent fifth wheels, and the Sabre is no exception. We'll hit the Sabre floor plans, but before that, let's check out some stunning Sabre features. When you step inside a Forest River Sabre, the first words you may utter might be something like, "Oh yeah, this is something." It's true, you'll find more inside a Sabre than you expect. Your eye will immediately be drawn to the kitchen, so let's start there. You'll get an extremely large residential style fridge with sleek black opal accents, with these accents carried over into the impressive 30-inch microwave, commercial grade range with glass cover and pots and pans drawer, and the residential size farmhouse sink with a high-rise pull-down kitchen faucet that has a spring spout. This sink is undermounted into a solid surface countertop. Other very nice touches in the kitchen area include a hand sanitizer station and a lighted pantry, complete with a motion sensor. Open look at the living area. Here you'll find at minimum one tri-fold sofa, great for camp conversation, as well as being convertible into a comfy bed for two. You'll also find a freestanding dinette with 4 chairs. What else to make the living area homey? Zebra shades not only provide style, but allow you to easily select how much sunlight you want inside your Sabre's living area. A huge ceiling fan adds a ton of ambiance, plus provides functionality by spreading around the cool AC coming out from the pair of 15,000 BTU ducted AC units. Yes, I said 2, and yes, both come standard. How about an electric fireplace built into the entertainment center? That's a win for sure. Speaking of entertainment, every Sabre comes with a residential size LED TV, with most having a super comfy set of theater seats across from it, a full stereo with indoor and outdoor speakers, plus dual high output charging ports to keep your smartphones and tablets all charged up. You're going to find charging ports all over the Sabre, including in the bedroom, accessible from the king bed. The bedrooms will also have washer-dryer prep and large wardrobe closets, most of which have craftsman-style barn doors that are highly functional and look great with the vintage gaslight decorative lighting. Additional lighting can be found via the accent lighting in both the living area and the bathroom. In the bathroom, you'll also get a full-size shower and a porcelain toilet. Before we head outside to check out more Sabre features, check this out. The One Control Command Center with Bluetooth to put the awning in and out, as well as all the slide-outs. Very handy. A Sabre's exterior boasts a ton of amenities. First, you have the aforementioned adjustable power awning with LED lighting. This baby runs from 14 to 21 feet depending upon the model. Under this awning will be a hookup for an exterior TV, as well as the coax connection to get you ready to binge your favorite series. You can do that and have the ability to whip up your favorite camp meals via the fully equipped outdoor kitchen. Camp conveniences continue on the Sabre exterior with the electric auto leveling system and backup camera to get you into your site and quickly leveled. You'll also have an easily accessible and super convenient universal docking station with black tank flush and outdoor shower. For power, you'll be able to save a lot of battery using the Juice Pack solar support system that includes a roof mount solar panel with battery, voltmeter, and your solar charger. Floor plans are coming up, but let's have a quick look at construction. A Forest River Sabre is all set to last camping season after season. This high-quality construction includes a water-repelling PVC roof membrane, vacuum bond laminated sidewalls with a thermofoil protective barrier, and a heated forced air underbelly with enclosed gate valves. On the front, you'll get a high-gloss gel coat front cap with LED lighting. And inside, cabinetry is solid with real wood lumber core. Time to take a peek at the fabulous Sabre floor plans. Sabres are full profile fifth wheels, and as such, they are long and not very light. Their average unloaded weight hovers around 12,000 pounds, and for length, they measure out to about 42 plus feet. Let's hit the family-friendly bunkhouse models first. The Sabre 36 BHQ is a rear living layout with a bunkhouse core. You'll find massive opposing slide-outs in the living area and a bunk loft above the center room, with the room containing a tri-fold sofa in a slide. Up front, the king bed is in a slide-out as well. The 36 BHQ can sleep up to 8. The 38 DBQ has a private rear bunk room complete with a loft area with twin bunks and its own full bath with direct exterior access. The living area has opposing slide outs and the king bed sits in a slide. The 38 DBQ can comfortably sleep 9. The hybrid Sabre 37 FLL has an impressive front living area with opposing trifold sofas in slide outs plus a massive entertainment center. The huge kitchen separates this room from the bedroom with an amazing bunk loft above it, complete with storage capability. Adding it up, the 37 FLL can sleep up to 9. A true front living floor plan with capacity for 6 snoozers, the 37 FLH has a large front living area with its opposing trifold sofas, but in the back is where it shines. You'll find a massive master bedroom suite with a bathroom complete with dual vanity sinks. The bathroom is separated from the bedroom with a barn door. A half bath is situated right beside the kitchen pantry. The 37 FBT takes the front bath model to the next level. A huge bathroom sits up front with a full-size wardrobe closet dominating the front cap. The master suite is set off by the massive king bed and has direct access to the storage loft that's above the large half bath on the living area level. In the back, there's a wow rear kitchen, making other fifth wheels drool. You'll find a ton of counter space as well as the impressive double-door fridge. The 37 FBT sleeps 6. As you can see, the Forest River Sabre line of fifth wheels are both accommodating and luxurious. We're sure you'll find the right Sabre for you and your camp-loving family. To find your Sabre, head on over to rv.campingworld.com.